how to delete profile in your Netflix account in your smart TV. And okay guys, here in your smart TV, on your remote, press the Netflix. Okay, go to Netflix. Here in Netflix account, as you can see, there are 4 profile. So for my example, I delete the profile A. Okay, to do this, you'll have to go to profile A and go to pencil icon on left side on this. And you'll have to do is click OK on remote to go to this settings. And after that, okay, you can see here the delete profile button below. Okay, go to this. Okay, and select the delete profile. Click OK on your remote. And are you sure you want to delete this profile? Okay, you'll have to do is select the delete profile and click OK on your remote to delete this profile on your Netflix account in your smart TV. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully delete profile on Netflix account in your smart TV. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.